It was working in this dunya. زُيِّنَ لِلنَّاسِ حُبُّ الشَّهَوَاتِ مِنَ النِّسَاءِ وَالْبَنِينَ وَالْقَنَاطِيرِ الْمُقَنطَرَةِ مِنَ الذَّهَبِ وَالْفِضَّةِ إِلَى آخِرِ الْآيَةِ. It was striving and struggling in this atmosphere, and it was cut off from the Mala'ul A'la. It was not connected with Ruh. Now, when it achieved the stage of An-Nafsul Mutma'innah, it is cut off with the lower stage, the lower world, and it is attached with the heavenly world, higher world, because it becomes connected with Ruh. When the nafs becomes connected with Ruh, it itself achieves the status of qalb. And when it becomes connected with Ruh, then the qualities of Ruh and the characteristics of Ruh, then they are transferred to nafs. And here the nafs starts returning back to the Lord, to the place where it came from, to the origin of Ruh and origin of everything. This is the point where returning journey starts. Since now it is returning, and why I am saying it is returning, Almighty Allah says, Ya ayyatuha nafsul mutmainna irji'i ila rabbik. O nafs mutmainna, O soul at rest. Nafs is soul. O soul at rest, or self-assured soul. Self-assured soul, or soul at rest. An-nafsul mutmainna irji'i, return to me. This was never said to the prior stages of nafs. Almighty Allah never said to an-nafsul ammara irji'i, because Allah knows he is defiant and disobedient. He wants to make him obedient. It was never stated to nafs al-lawwama irji'i, although he swore la uqsimu bin nafs al-lawwama, because the nafs al-lawwama, oppressing and blaming, it has started blaming the nafs for committing the evils. It is now being disturbed by commission of evils and wrong acts. It is now blaming the wrong things. Because of these characteristics of blaming the wrong and blaming the evil, Almighty Allah swears by it. And when it is upgraded, then Almighty Allah starts revealing into it good ideas, good thoughts, good wishes, good wills. So it becomes the recipient of the heavenly thoughts and heavenly ideas. When it starts receiving the thoughts and ideas from heavens, only then, and if it becomes stable, it becomes an-nafsul mutmainna. And when it achieves the state of nafsul mutmainna, Almighty Allah says, now you are able to return to me. Now another journey has started now. Now he is going back to the Lord. In company of Ruh, they are going both together. They are working side by side. Nafs has surrendered in front of Ruh. The whole government of the capital and the city and the country has been totally handed over to the king, to Sultan. The Sultan, who is the deputy of Almighty Allah. And now the Ruh, the deputy of Allah, is in a very easy atmosphere to enforce whatever Allah has commanded. Now the whole body, the heart, the organs, the senses, the wishes, the propensities, everything is receiving the commandments of Almighty Allah through Ruh happily. And Allah's command and Allah's will is being enforced in the whole body. When the commands of Almighty Allah are being enforced in the whole body, so then the internal atmosphere of a bashar has become an atmosphere of the malak. Then nasut has become malakut. Then this vegetal body has converted from animalistic and vegetal body is converted into angelic body. Now angels are coming to say salam to that person. Now angels are coming to embrace the person. When the nafs is return to Almighty Allah and is in consonance with the ruh, and nafs has surrendered in front of the ruh, and nafs has totally accepted the obedience to Almighty Allah, and nafs has submitted to the order and commandment of Almighty Allah, and nafs has become satisfied with what Allah wants and what Allah commands. So the whole system of government is changed. The whole atmosphere of capital is changed. The whole functioning of our organs are changed. Then your hands, your eyes, your feet, your belly, your organs, any organ of your body, now it is totally unable to commit any disobedience to Allah. Now the body cannot commit any sin, because body was being controlled by the organs, and organs were being controlled by the senses. The senses were being controlled by the intellect, and intellect was being controlled and influenced by the nafs, ammara. Since the nafs is changed and has surrendered in front of the ruh, so the whole control of each and every department of the country has been given to ruh. And what is ruh? Kulir ruh min amri rabbi. Ruh is the amr of Allah. Ruh is amr of Allah. So now nafs have in fact accepted the amr of Allah. Nafs has become a reflection of the ruh. That's why the whole atmosphere. So this is the reason that a man apparently seems the same person. Same eyes, same ears, same head, same body, same face, same organs, same bashariya, same vegetal entity, same apparently animalistic entity. But what change has occurred? That the same body once was kafir. The same person once upon a time was a kafir. Same person another time he was a fasik, mu'min fasik. At the same time, sometime he was zalim. Sometime the same person was muqtasid. And sometime the same person now has become sabiq. He is running towards Lord, running towards piety, running towards obedience to Lord. Why? Because the nafs has surrendered to the ruh. And Allah's amr has been completely accepted and enforced. When total consonance is created in the body, and there is no conflict between nafs, qalb and ruh, when there is no consistency, when there is no conflict, when there is no contradiction, when there is no dispute, when there is no line of disliking and disagreement, when there is no disagreement between nafs, qalb and ruh, so this total consistency makes the person waliullah. Now he says, now you are my friend. Why? Because the nafs has started the journey of returning to me. Irji'i ila rabbik. So in appearance the person looks like the same as he was before, appearance. But the whole change has taken place inside. Only those can see who can see inside. Only those can understand. So now this nafs has become a nafsul mutmainnah. And when the nafs becomes mutmainnah and starts a journey towards Almighty Allah, then Almighty Allah starts showering His blessings onto that nafs. And wilaya starts from a nafsul mutmainnah. A nafsul mutmainnah is wilaya. A nafsul mutmainnah is wilaya. Allah's friendship. Now Allah's blessings start coming onto it.